Hey everyone, I'm Bert from ViewSonic, and today I'm here to answer your questions about your displays. Today's question is, how do I stop my monitor from flickering? Now picture this, you're mid-game, you're mid-movie, or you're in an important video call, and suddenly your screen starts to flash, flicker, strobe, or cut in and out. Now you might think your monitor is about to die, and it can be very frustrating, but usually there's a quick fix for this. But before we get started, make sure your Windows is updated to the latest version. Try these fixes first, in order. Each one takes about 1 minute and will likely solve your problem. First, unplug and then replug both the video cable and the power cable into the monitor. A loose connection is often the cause for flickering. Also, make sure that the power cord is firmly plugged into both the outlet and the monitor as well. Next, check your settings. Right-click the desktop and select Display Settings. Now look under Display Resolution and make sure that the recommended resolution for your monitor is selected. Now some advanced features such as Variable Refresh Rate or HDR can also cause sync issues with certain applications, so under the Windows settings, try turning those off as well to see if it solves the problem. If you're using a dedicated graphics card, try connecting the monitor to the video output of the motherboard. If the flickering stops, then there may be an issue with the GPU or its drivers. You can also start Windows in safe mode to further isolate the cause. If the flickering also stops there and the image is stable, then you've narrowed it down to a software-related issue and the monitor does not have a problem. Now check the description down below for how to do that. Press Windows Ctrl-Shift-B to reset your graphics drivers without restarting. And the screen will go blank for a moment, and that's completely normal. Now in the Windows search bar, type Device Manager and click it to open the window. Locate Display Adapters and click the arrow next to it to expand the list. There you'll see all the graphics cards installed on your PC. Now if your GPU is not listed there, you'll need to visit the manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers and install them. For each graphics card listed, right-click and select Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Windows will then find and install the latest version. However, if you want the latest gaming driver, it's still a good idea to check your GPU manufacturer's website. And that's it. Following these steps should give you a rock-solid flicker-free image. But if you've updated everything and the flashing continues, it might be a hardware-level issue. If that's the case, please contact our ViewSonic Service Center for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and we'll continue making more videos like this. And if you'd like to read more on the topic, please check out our online user guides in the description below.